Are you looking for a SendOwl alternative that fits your budget better? If you're exploring options for digital product delivery that offers great value, then you've come to the right place. Today, I want to introduce you to SendBolt, a digital commerce platform that's designed with creators who are looking to maximize their income. We offer comprehensive features for selling digital products where most creators can get started for just $25 per month. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through SendBolt's features and show you why many digital entrepreneurs are choosing us as their preferred platform. Whether you're selling ebooks, templates, or any digital products, we might be exactly what you've been looking for. Now, if you do want to check out SendBolt at any point, just check the first link in the description. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into our admin account. We've set this up ahead of time, just so that I can walk you through the functionality. Now, with SendBolt, you can log in via email address and password or via Google Authentication. It's completely up to you and it depends on your email provider. We're going to use Google Authentication for the purpose of this video. So I've clicked that button and we are now inside our account. So this is the first page that you will see. Now, one thing I will mention at this point is we have made it so in the bottom right-hand corner, we've made it really easy to get instant help. So when you first sign up, you can find out exactly what you need to do to get up and running as quickly as possible. These are just kind of short guides. Also, one thing I will mention at this point is we have a full support system and team answering any questions that come in. So if I was to click this, you can raise support tickets. If you have any questions or you need any help, then you can just create a ticket and you can even assign a priority and we will get back to you as soon as possible. That being said, let me just walk you through the functionality now, starting with the home dashboard. So you can see your total revenue really easily. You can see how many products you've sold, how many customers that you have, and also how many products you have within your account. Now, the products is where, so on this left-hand side, the products tab, this is where you add all of your products to your account. Now, we are on the Pro plan, so we have an unlimited number of products that we can import, and setting up products is really, really simple. So all you need to do is click this button here. You then have the option to choose between digital files. You can set up bundles or a collection of different digital files. You can set up license codes and also subscriptions and memberships if you want to create some recurring revenue. Let's just create a digital file just for the purpose of this video. Now, what I'm going to be doing is let's just call this a project plan template. So I want to show you this in action. I'm going to set it as 0, the cost being 0, purely because I want to, actually no, I won't. I will set this up as, let's just say £2.50 or $2.50, just so that we can see how the checkout functionality works. Now we can upload a file, which is what will be delivered when the customer purchases, or we can redirect to URL. So once the payment's gone through, they will be redirected to this URL by default. But let's upload a file just now, just so we can see exactly how this works. So I'm just going to select a file from my computer, just so we can see exactly what this looks like. And this is a project plan template. Now, when you can enter a description and you can use plain text or HTML to format that description better. Just gives you a chance to provide some additional context about the product. You can also change the sales page image from the default, but I'll show you that in a second. So that's all you need to do to set up a product. Click create product and you'll see your first product in here. At which point you can quickly grab a link here. You can delete that product or edit it if you wanted to for whatever reason. But let's just say you wanted to sell it. You can click this sell button. Now you have various different options. You can grab the sales page link from here. You can issue a free download, which is great if you just want to provide some free options for your customers. You can embed on your website. And the beauty of this is that you can change the text button, also the button color for your branding. And then you have this code, embed code, which you just copy and put straight onto your website. And also there's this link tree option as well. Let me show you what the checkout page looks like. So this would be the link that you share on social media or wherever you want it to occur. But this is what it would look like. So this is the default image. And if you added a description, it would appear here just under project plan template. Now, when you send this link to a potential customer of yours, they will enter their email address, and that's where the download link is sent. But they will also, once they make payment, go through to a page to download the file as well. There's almost a double means of getting that product. Now, they have two options. So both are powered by Stripe, and one's powered by Stripe and the other's by PayPal. You can set up both. I'll show you that in a second. But yeah, two options to pay. Can be by credit card, all the major suppliers here, and also PayPal. Just enter the card number. If you create a discount code, they can apply that there if you share it with them, and then they just press the complete purchase button if they did want to get the product. But let's remove that for now because I want to show you the rest of this platform. So we've set up discount codes and upsells. So let's just say you wanted to set up a discount code. It could be launch price, and you can set it up as a percentage or even as a fixed amount if you wanted to, and then your customers can apply that at checkout. You can make it time limited or have a limited number of uses. You can also set up upsells. So let me just set one up quickly. It could be when the project plan is being purchased, you can offer a different product and it will appear on that checkout page straight away. Now, one thing I will say is at this particular moment is that I can't show you because I don't have another product in here. But it appears as kind of like an orange box and it looks really kind of prominent, and it's really, really good for conversions. So here we have orders. So this is where all your orders when you start selling come through. Analytics to get an understanding as to how your digital product sales are going ahead. You got an affiliate. So by becoming a SendBolt customer, you automatically join the affiliate program and you can earn 30% recurring commissions. So if you were to get someone on the starter plan, you'd start earning $5.70 per month. On the Pro, $11.70 per month. So you can start earning back on your plan with just a couple of referrals. This is the support functionality I discussed earlier. Now I just want to walk you through settings because this is really, really important. You can change how you appear in the top right. Just by changing this here. Billing, it shows you the current plan that you're on and also the ability to change your plan. Payment gateways, this is really, really important. We don't handle any of the payments. We go through payment gateways. So what this essentially means is you connect your payment accounts. So you need to connect to your Stripe account, and to do that, you just press this button here and it will connect through. You may already have a Stripe account set up. If you don't, you will need to create one. When I click this, you'll see what I mean by that. It will just take a couple of seconds to load. Here you go. You just put your email address in and you just go through that process. Alternatively, you can set up your PayPal. So what you'll need is your PayPal email address, and you need to get your API username, password, and API signature. It's very simple. You just need to go into your PayPal account settings and then basically acquire your API information. You can set up notifications on new orders and weekly sales summary and product updates. And also you have the ability to change your password from here and set up some download security. So it's a very comprehensive platform. So I now just want to issue a free order just to show you what you can expect when a customer purchases from you. The process is exactly the same. So what I'm going to do is just go in here. I'm going to press sell and then click on free download. And let's issue this free order. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to send it to ourselves. So we're going to get 2 emails and you'll see that in a second. So let me get that right. So when a customer purchases, the first thing that will happen is they will be redirected to this download page to instantly access the product. Press the download button and they will be able to access the product. So they'll obviously save it to a local drive and then they can access it. They'll also get emails from SendBolt. So I've got all 3 because this is linked to my SendBolt account, and also we've issued the order there. So for you as the SendBolt customer, you will get an email telling you that you've sold something. So congratulations, you just sold Project Plan Template. It will tell you how much for, also give you the order number, and you can go straight to the dashboard. The customer would receive these 2. So the first one is an order confirmation telling them that their payment has been successful and that their download link will appear in a separate email. And then this is essentially what they get. So if there'll be a button where if they press that, it will take them straight back to that page. So there's almost like a 2 way of catching that download and make sure that they get it. The other thing I want to mention as well is we have made this available. So if you look here, bottom left, you'll see that if anyone has any issues with or questions about the product, they will contact you directly as the SendBolt customer. So it avoids a lot of complex issues when trying to resolve with customers as well. So that is SendBolt. I would strongly recommend that you give us a try. We are looking to improve the product as much as we can. We're going to continue to develop and provide as many features as possible. But for now, we've got a comprehensive all-round platform that will enable you to sell digital products and make a maximum return on your investment on the plan itself. So over to you. Best of luck, and I hope you have an excellent day.